Molly, 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 over here, honey.
Molly!
Come on, Molly. What do we got over here? Whoa!
I sit in it.
Meg?
I sit in it. It's yours, Molly.
Say happy birthday to me, Gracie.
You can put your feet on.
No, it doesn't look like she can put her feet on that.
Not yet. She'll get there.
Molly, say hi. Molly, hi.
Boo boo!
She's checking it out.
You want to take the birthday crown off? It's a birthday crown.
That's right. Good job.
Even Mom, you're the birthday.
Molly, Molly, say hi. Hi. Easy, easy, Meg,
I'm
easy.
fixing the crown.
She doesn't want it.
No.
And Molly, look at your outfit.
And
Can you
here's
put
the
that
bucket.
back on, Molly?
Okay, Molly.
Molly, can you put that back on?
Can you put the crown back on?
Let's put this back on.
Put the crown back on. I don't know what she
Boo boo.
She's just going to take it off.
Molly.
Say cheese.
Molly. It sounds like cheese.
She thinks digit.
All right, give it to her, Megan.
Molly, here's a little gift for you. Here's a gift. There's a gift, Molly.
All right, out of the way.
It's a big bag.
Why don't you help her open it,
Can you
Meg?
help her with her tiara first, honey?
No, don't worry about the tiara.
She looks so good.
Happy first birthday
Can you
to
sit
a
down?
sweet girl. Love, Nanny, and Grampy Jim. Oh, let's see what this is. Unwrap the G. What is the G for?
I don't know. We'll have to open it to
Oh,
see.
Jamboree. The G is stuck down.
Seriously, Gracie?
Uh-oh.
Close, probably.
Cece. Grace.
Oh, Mom, this big G is a sticker.
There you
Look
go.
at this big G for a girl.
Put it right here.
Silly. Okay, you're going to break it.
G.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Molly. Oh.
Oh, look, Molly.
Whoa, Molly, look, honey. Whoa.
It's a dress. And another one.
Gracie's got to check it out, too.
Oh, there's more.
Smell okay, Grace?
Okay. Leggings. Oh, look at the shirt. Look at this little jibbery shirt. And look at this cute shirt. That's puppies. That's all the Molly got.
Where's the other outfit she got?
Right here.
That's that.
Show her.
Are you sure that one?
Molly,
Molly.
what's this?
Yeah, we're going to have to get rid of that thing. What happened, Molly?
Look at
Very
this.
cute, buddy.
What's this? What's this?
Okay, everyone say happy birthday, Molly.
Happy
Wait.
birthday, Molly. I have to take off that.
No, that's fine.
That'd be good.
I'm fixing it.
Okay, can we do it one more time? Do it one more time.
Happy birthday, Molly. And that's Molly.
Let's get this out of the way.
I got it. I'm just going to sit on here.
Okay.
I'm not going to play.
Boo boo. Molly.
And here's the receipt.